for joining us today for this Concept to Cash to Care demonstration featuring Oracle Monetization Cloud. I'm Jean Lawrence, and I'm the Director of Product Marketing for Oracle Monetization Solutions. Note our safe harbor statement indicating that this demo is meant to outline our general product direction for information purposes only. We'll look at several quick slides for context and then proceed to the live demo environment. Communication service providers around the world are going digital, becoming digital service providers enabled by Internet of Things technology. Examples of this are connected cars, smart city, and home security. Monetization Cloud can support all of these use cases and many more. Today's demo will focus specifically on connected car stories. The monetization solution is part of a full concept to cash to care ecosystem that spans the customer journey, engaging on social channels to tracking a sales lead, to creating and offering a variety of services, to onboarding subscribers, to ringing and billing their services, to revenue recognition and compliance. Is unique in offering these services end-to-end in the cloud that work together in monetizing the concept to care, cash to care process across the customer journey. These solutions run in the Oracle public cloud using Oracle Analytics. This allows customers to leverage the power of Oracle's next generation bare metal infrastructure as a service capabilities in unparalleled security and performance. Today includes 4 primary segments. We'll start with a subscriber named Sarah, subscribing to a vehicle as a service from a company called Vision. So instead of purchasing a vehicle or leasing a vehicle, she will subscribe on a monthly basis to access a selection of a vehicle from a fleet of options. This vehicle access will come with other related services such as insurance, frequency of vehicle swaps, and a concierge service. Then decide to add some digital services in the areas of safety, entertainment, and we see how as she consumes services, she can see the difference in her balance in real time through self-channels, as well as Nick, a contact center agent using Monetization Cloud, can see the changes in her balances and take other actions on her account. Then we'll look behind the scenes at how a pricing analyst like Mike can create the offers to subscribe to these packages that are available to Sarah through her self-care channels, as well as available to Nick through Monetization Cloud. Last, we'll take a quick look at the operations and finance side at how some key business processes can be automated, how the journals can be tracked through ERP financials, and how analysis can be performed using Oracle Analytics Cloud. So we'll look at the process with Sarah in Oracle Commerce Cloud, subscription to her vehicle as a service. So she will drive the vehicles, and then we'll look at 2 packages that are available to her through this digital self-care channel. Get the Vision Vehicles Basic Package, which includes a month access rate, a certain number of miles, choice of cars, frequency of swapping cars, and level of insurance. Then consider the Premium Package, which is a little more expensive, but includes more monthly miles, a rich insurance package, and a selection of more luxury vehicles that can be swapped more frequently. So in research, she'll decide that she wants to subscribe to the Premium Package, go through a standard e-commerce experience to check out, and then access to her vehicle as a service. What she hear in Commerce Cloud were the offers that were populated from Monetization Cloud, and the customer record that she then created in Commerce Cloud by creating her account then flows through an integration to Oracle Monetization Cloud. For purpose of this demo, we have pre-populated some of Sarah's activity in Monetization Cloud so we can show some history. Sarah is in her vehicle that she has a subscription to, and she has an onboard unit where she can select additional services. So she decides that in addition to subscribing to the vehicle itself as a service, she'd like to add some digital services. So she does some research on the packages that are available to her, which are coming through Monetization Cloud, and sees that she would like to subscribe to the automotive Premium and Entertainment package. So next that on the onboard unit in her car, and see right away the services that are available to her as part of the packages that she is subscribing to. Now Nick, a contact center agent, can see the same services available on Sarah's account and take other actions on her account. So we'll now enter Oracle Monetization Cloud, which uses role-based access to grant access based on the person's job to which these modules they can enter and what permissions they have to take certain actions on those within those modules. So for example, in subscriber management, a contact center agent may or may not be given permission to make certain levels of adjustments, to write off an account, etc. So we will enter Sarah's account, the contact center agent. He basic information about her account. He can see all of the services that are available on her account, the same as she could see them through her self-care channel. So for each service that she has, it indicates, for example, insurance, that it is part of her Vision Vehicles premium package, or something like a Wi-Fi hotspot or real-time traffic is a component of her premium entertainment digital subscription package. So see all of that activity on her account. What happens when Sarah consumes additional services? So see here in her account that she has a current balance total due of $16,560 and has 1,551 loyalty points, as well as 10 included movies. So when we look at this, for example, the 10 included movies, we can see all of the history of her past months and what's been rolled over, and we can see that the contact center agent make an adjustment, for example, to give her additional movies. This is a nice opportunity to cross-sell or upsell additional services in lieu of cash adjustments, which can also be made by a contact center rep. So we'll now at Sarah consuming some additional services. So she's in her car, and she decides that her kids in the back seat need to take advantage of some entertainment. She has a choice of ordering a movie, which change her balance from 10 movies that she has available now to 9, but not result in any currency impact. Or she can order an audiobook, which is not part of a bundle, so she would be paying $3 for that, and loyalty points. We'll see what happens when she orders an audiobook. She goes to download, and it's simply available. Then when we back to subscriber management and open account, we'll see because she purchased the $3 audiobook, she's earned 3 additional loyalty points, and in progress, or current balance, has gone up by $3. There's been no change to her included movies, but had she selected that, that would have gone down to 9. What happens now when Sarah uses tolling capabilities? So we have Oracle's IoT cloud service, a device simulator. If I turn that on, it's as Sarah is moving through traffic. We can hear her car is moved along a line here and is generating toll charges when it crosses certain tolling points. So that is visible in her account. So immediately if he goes to her current service, what charges are, and we'll notice a new message that just came in through the activity that just took place through the Internet of Things tolling. So 13th, of additional tolling charges that were just generated. These are all consolidated on a single invoice for Sarah. So she has the convenience of one consolidated invoice that tracks her tolling activity, her collection of digital services, as well as her vehicle as a service. Look at Sarah's view now. She shows a message that she just generated a new toll from the end that just took place through Internet of Things tracking. For today, that she's just generated some additional tolls. At her view of her balances, you can see here that shows how many movies she has left, which is 10, how many gigabytes, any loyalty points she's earned. No loyalty points, as we saw from ordering a $3 audiobook. She has the option, again through her self-care channels, of redeeming loyalty points for things like additional audiobooks, movies that would not count then against her bundle of 10, an extra hour of Wi-Fi hotspot utilization, or something like a free drink. Sarah went through the process of subscribing to the vehicle itself as a service and then subscribing to additional digital services. She consumed services like an audiobook and earned loyalty points that she could then redeem, as generating toll charges, and how those were all visible to her through her onboard unit in real time and visible to the contact center agent through Monetization Cloud in real time. Now we'll look at how Mike, the pricing analyst, created the offers that are visible to Sarah through Commerce Cloud, to Sarah through her self-care channel on her onboard unit, and Nick, the calls agent, through Monetization Cloud. The price list will go into offer design, which again, using the role-based permissions, is what he has permission to do. And look at the packages that he created for Vision. We'll share both the vehicle packages, Vehicle Basic and Premium, that was able to research and select from in Oracle Commerce Cloud, as well as the digital services around entertainment that she was able to select from using her onboard unit. Looking now at the components of the Premium package, as we in Commerce Cloud, there were multiple services that were available as part of this, each of which had a price. There is the transportation of the vehicle itself as a service, along with the level of insurance, concierge service, fee of vehicle exchange and what sort of vehicle she's eligible to use as part of her subscription, as well as the toll charging that we just saw. So we'll just take a quick look at one component of this, which is car itself, or the vehicle as a service. And see here that there is a tremendous amount of flexibility in how Mike can configure these offers for subscribers. In this case, he's combining a one-time charge, a recurring charge, and a usage charge into this package. The one charge is the registration fee of $500 that we saw in Commerce Cloud. The charge is the monthly subscription. It doesn't have to be monthly. It can be whatever frequency is determined, so daily, weekly, bi-monthly, annually. In this case, it is billing each cycle in advance, but it can also be in arrears. So Sarah is paying $1,000 per month as her subscription, and with that, she is getting 1,500 included miles. So the advantage of Oracle Monetization Cloud that we can include what we call non-currency or virtual resources. So in this case, it's miles. In the case for digital packages, you saw things like gigabytes on a Wi-Fi hotspot or movies or health checks. We can do this based on any measurable metric, which gives a tremendous amount of flexibility in designing innovative packages. The component here, which is the usage. So Sarah exceeds her 1,500 miles that are included in her subscription. That is tracked in real time. Notifications can be sent to her. And when she exceeds that, she charged 50 cents per mile based on her consumption. And it's very easy to configure and edit. So if there is a change in market demand or business requirements, like Mike can quickly go in and make changes to any of these components. And see, it's a matter of just using simple drop-down boxes with predefined elements and entering dollar amounts, names, and selecting the general ledger ID treatment. Mike was able to create and modify the offers that are available through Monetization Cloud and visible to the subscribers through Commerce Cloud, through self-care channels, as well as to agents in Monetization Cloud. We'll look at how Jamie, an operations manager, can create jobs and automate many of the key business processes that are required for Vision. So access to the business operations module. When she first enters, she can see if there are any unresolved jobs that are requiring her attention. In this case, no. And then it's a matter of simply automating the key business processes. So whether it's billing, payment, collections, invoicing, or general ledger, manager like Jamie can quickly create a new or modify an existing job to then automate it going forward by determining the frequency, whether time or repeating, and attributes of what types of accounts should be included in the automated processing of any of these jobs. Again, so when we enter this module, that any unresolved issues requiring attention would be displayed. An operations manager can also see a timeline view with a graphical depiction of how all of these automated jobs have performed. So it's an invoicing job, a general ledger job, a billing job. It's color-coded to indicate success or failure. Jamie can easily tell with everything that she's automated if there's anything that requires her additional attention. Casey, the finance director, uses Oracle eFinancials Cloud. So here we have Financials Cloud, which of course has many different capabilities. What we'll focus on specifically is accounting and the general capabilities. So Monetization Cloud is integrated with Oracle ERP Financials Cloud. Of accounts from ERP is populated in Monetization Cloud. Then the general ledger and information comes from Monetization Cloud through to ERP Financials. So an example of one accounting period. Now the OMC or Oracle Monetization Cloud activity is populated in ERP Financials Cloud. Here, the general activity. And pull this up. The accounting period I picked is past, so all of this activity already billed and earned, but it could be indicated here that it might have been unbilled or unearned depending on the timing and the revenue recognition. Then here are all of the charts of accounts that again come from Monetization Cloud, having been populated in ERP, and the debit and credit and journal implications. So as the finance manager can do all of these and then decide what is prepared, ready to be posted. At Analytics. So we'll look to Oracle Analytics Cloud, which configured with a variety of reports to and analyze the performance of key performance indicators. So we will set up here as an example, but anything that is pulled from the Monetization Cloud database. So starting with an example of offer adoption, this is tracking the performance of the Vision Vehicles premium package that Sarah did select against the basic package that she saw back in Commerce Cloud. So a business user can take, and an executive can take a number of actions based on the data that is uncovered through this analytics process. If, for example, the premium package has a much higher margin than the basic package, and the organization would like to incent additional purchases of the premium package, they might decide using data like this to change the offers slightly to make the premium package more attractive, for example, by including more luxury vehicles or more frequent swapping, which can easily be done in Monetization Cloud offer design. Look at an example of a KPI report. Here we are tracking the performance of subscription revenue amounts versus usage revenue versus one-time revenue. So an executive might decide that they would like a larger percentage of their mix to be coming from subscription revenue because it tends to be more predictable. So again, they might decide to change the offer to, for example, include more movies in the entertainment package and charge more than $49.99. This would increase the subscription revenue, increase the usage revenue, making the overall mix more predictable. Example here is tracking the contact center call volumes by type of inquiry. So if you have, for example, a spike in billing inquiries, you would have the opportunity, again through Monetization Cloud, to customize your invoice. You might decide to change the wording or to add a special message to clarify your packages so that you can reduce the inquiries around billing to the contact center. Example here is just tracking usage consumption, seeing the relative usage of movies versus audiobooks versus health checks on a daily basis. You can use Oracle Analytics Cloud to pull information from the Oracle Monetization Cloud database and measure key performance indicators and take important actions to maximize the profitability of your business. So to conclude and summarize how our customers can grow their recurring revenues with our Oracle Monetization Cloud, first, it's the power of Oracle. Our customers are choosing a future-proof technology partner with enterprise-grade market-leading capabilities, CRM, ERP, monetization, and more, all run on integrated Oracle technology with the benefits of security and performance. Second, agility and sophistication of our monetization capabilities are based on 3 decades of monetization experience and research and development. We say if you can measure it, we can rate it. Our customers are positioning themselves for success with the ability to view customer behavior and usage in real time, price based on any measurable metric, put there any combination of recurring, one-time, and consumption-based pricing, and layer on discounting and other capabilities. And today, accelerating time to market is critical. Intuitive user interfaces, integrations, and flexible deployment options can get customers up and running quickly so they capitalize on subscription and digital commerce. A live demonstration of Monetization Cloud and learn more about our capabilities, please visit us at oracle.com/monetization-cloud. Much for participating in this demonstration of Oracle Concept to Cash to Care featuring Oracle Monetization Cloud.